So the first thing I want to do is to draw the net of this box I've designed here, and I've got the critical dimensions, 80 millimeters, 100 millimeters and 50 millimeters. I've got to imagine that that's folded out flat and then draw on this bit of cardboard the net of what that box will look like. So I'll start with a square which is going to be the base of this box. I'll start with just drawing a line across there. It's going to be my base point. Then I'm going to mark off 100 mil, which is 10 centimeters. And then I want to have a parallel line above that. And the other measurement is 80 millimeters. So 80 there, 80 there. Draw another line, and then those two lines should be parallel. Just like train lines, exactly the same distance apart. The next thing is I want to have a line straight up, point there, and if we're really careful we could mark off the 100 there as well, and then draw a line along there. Now before I go any further, I just want to check that that biscuit fits in there nicely, that fragile item fits in there nicely, and yeah, that's okay. So from now it's the case of drawing the rest of that net. Now I can continue these lines up because those lines are going to be the same. We want those to be parallel as well. And now it's a case of measuring off the rest. Now it's going to be that 50 mil deep. We want to get this dimension here going next. So 50 mil. So just need to mark off 50, and I think I've just got enough room there. Yes, good. 50, 50, and I want to do it the same along here as well. 50 mil or 5 centimeters. 5, and I'll measure up here as well because I want that again to be parallel as straight as we can to mark it off there. And I'm going to zoom a line up along there as well. All cutting lines, but they're construction lines. They're telling us whereabouts we need to go eventually. So I'll do the one down the bottom as well now. But so far now I've got 3 sides. That's the base of the box, and I've got 3 sides to it. I need a 4th. So the next thing is going to be measure up here another 5 centimeters. 5, 3, 4, 5. Pretty good. Line across there. There we go. Now that's base and 4 sides. Now we just need the lid. And that's going to keep going up there. It's going to be the same dimension as the base. 80, wasn't it? 80 mil. It goes just over that fold there, which is a bit of an issue, but it's not end of the world. And so that is going to go across there. And then actually I might actually keep that bit going because I want to have a lid. A little extra bit on the lid that comes down here. So I might do that now and give it another 20 mil up there for that little bit. 20 mil across there. Across there. I can see that one's just gone a little bit crooked, so I'm just going to straighten that up. So now we come to cutting that out, but the other thing that we have to think about is that we need those little tabs to hold it all together. So I'm just going to draw them in freehand at the moment. I'm going to draw one in here. That's going to keep that corner together. I'm going to draw one in here. That'll keep that corner together. Up here, if I draw one in there, you'll notice they're off at a 45-degree angle there, a bit of an angle, just so that they're easier for us to join up. I've got to think about, do I need any for the lid? Let's say yes, but we might just cut them off at the end. We'll see how we go. So I'll draw another one. Okay, so now it's time to cut that out with the scissors.